right, this is the answer to Punnett square practice number 3. Yellow is dominant to green in seed color in pea plants. What are the phenotypes of the following genotypes? So the first thing we need to do is we need to make our key. So there's our key. Big Y is dominant, and that's yellow, and the recessive trait is green, so it's little y. It's helpful when you look at these problems. The vocab sometimes confuses kids, so the letters are often easier. So before I go ahead and do the the phenotypes, it's helpful to write the genotypes in letters, which kids are more comfortable with. So homozygous recessive would be the same thing as saying little y, and heterozygous would be the same thing as saying big Y, little y, and homozygous dominant would be the same thing as saying big Y, big Y. So again, those are just genotypes. That hasn't actually answered the question yet. So if I'm looking at, going back to the top, little y, that's the genotype, then the phenotype would be, so that phenotype for homozygous recessive little y would be green, and for heterozygous big Y, little y, that phenotype would be yellow. And for homozygous dominant, big Y, that phenotype would be yellow again. So there's the genotypes are in green, and the phenotypes are in black.